What's up, you guys? This is Ike from Cell Phone Parts and Repair. I'm going to be sharing a quick little video with you all on how we replace the HDMI port in a Sony PS5 PlayStation that a customer dropped off to us. As you can see more in detail before we replaced it. And this is after we had our tech replace it. Turned out to be a successful repair here. So yeah, if you'd like to have your PS5 HDMI port replaced, feel free to give us a holler. We'll be more than happy to get you taken care of there. Till next time, you guys be safe and have a blessed day.